Dear participant, welcome at Event Matrix Hub platform. Here I want to introduce how you can join the meeting which you have registered today. Okay, so when you will scroll down, you can see all the events are available at this platform, and you have registered in 3-day international seminar on Python and R programming. So you will click on it, and you can, when you will click, you can see that all the details are available here about this event, and you have registered. So here this is the schedule of each day event session wise. Okay, so when you will this is the today first day 16 June, and you will find the session 1 and session 2 details. Okay, so here you can see login to access the link. So if you want to join the session, you have to log in your account. For that, this is the sign in, and you are registered. So you will put here your Gmail address, then you will put here login password, and after login password, go to continue. And after login your account, you will scroll down. This is the event which you have registered, and when you will click on it, yes, so everything is here, you are accessible. So first you will join the session, first session. So you can see here the link is available. This is the link. 8 to 10 a.m. or 5 minutes before you will click on this link. So according to the time given at a place, the link will be active at least 5 minutes before starting the session. Okay, similarly for the second session, you can see this the joining meeting. So each session has their different joining links are available, and you are required to join the meeting with respect to the session. Okay, if by chance you are not able to join the meeting, then scroll down, and here we have the connect with the fellow attendees. So here you can put your questions, you can interact with the other participant, you can put your questions to the organizer also. Okay, so that question will be separate to all the participants who are registered along with the organizer at this platform, and organizer also can reply your questions. Okay, and on the right hand side you can see this is the recording. So the recording of each session will be available. When the session will over, we will provide the link at the place, and you can attend to post the session. Okay, so this is all about this that Event Matrix Hub, and you can access everything, and other things are very simple to use. Still, if you have any question, you can ask at our WhatsApp number, which is given to at the platform. Thank you.